Hey guys, so basically, this is, let me show you my new secret.
Wow.
Ah. Lagyan mo na ng toyo, matabang.
Let me show you. This
Alright.
is my sister's new account.
Hoy, gentle ka.
This is how to make it. You need character 45 and balcony glue.
Gentle naman.
Sleeves 31, hands 51, gloves 33, belt shoes 19, and then you need hat 39, scarf 62, wings 36. The color of the eyes are, let me show you, black, and the pupils are white, and then the eyebrows are like that, and then the mouth is like that. This is only for
Si
girls.
Jay, yan ang pinatatabi ko. Ba't tumuli ka niya?
This is only for girls. And this is my ox. I'm about to change this. Actually, I'm
Yan,
gonna
Jaya.
see.
Oh, hindi yung charger pinapakita ko.
Sabi mo pera mo. So this is me, and then this is my sister. This is just a random guy, and this is my little cousin. I'm about to make a sleigh. And then, no, not that.
No, we're just here to adopt you. And we're just sweetie. We're gonna take you home and adopt you and teach you how to be a princess. How's about we get out of here and get right to it? Of course. We can just head out here, just follow your new father. He's the purple
Listen, we're gonna follow them, okay? We gotta follow them. And make sure we can get that baby. We're gonna have an evil plan. We're gonna steal that baby and make it ours.
To the sandwich man.
Get to the sandwich, but don't let him see you.
Oh no. They got on their horses. Let's go. We gotta hurry.
Go.
well, there's a lot we need to do. There's a lot of stuff to get you ready to be a princess. We probably should well, come on, we have to set up a few things. What do we set up first? There's the voice lessons. You can't go without voice lessons as a princess. You also, you have to learn how to talk like a princess. Forgot what it is. Geez, to look like a princess. Geez. That's nothing like a princess right now. Princess. Of course.
store and grab some garlic salt then.
No, we're not eating the baby.
Didn't say it was for eating the baby. Oh, so you just eat garlic alone. Okay, it was for eating the baby. Okay, what are we gonna do?
Babies are kind of cool. Let's just see. Maybe it'll be funny. Let's just go. Keep following.
Kasama niyo pala si Kuya Will.
This is where I got my first princess dress at your age. Whatever speaks to you. Where do I start? Oh, my face and as a princess, you'll just feel it. You'll pick out the right outfit.
Look at this. You found
Result my
You ready to go home and see the castle? Wonderful.
It's amazing. You're about to learn the new things, the key things about being a princess.
Yeah, very important. And we start with the city up straight. Princesses don't slouch. That's right. Princesses are never comfortable. Welcome to society.
There we go, yes. Everything in life is just like the movies. are the main character in this world.
No. Even though she may feel like the main character, the prince is always the main character. You need to remember that. And if a stranger offers you something that you want to offer, what do you do? Use it? No, you eat it. Yeah, how else are you supposed to get poison so you can have true love's kiss? And don't be like Cinderella and use those dating apps. It just never works. Well, you have to have a difficult conversation. You gotta pick your animal sidekick now.
Another monkey. Yes, that's how it's called.
No, monkeys. Two monkeys. Monkeys are for guys.
Oh, okay.
If you plan to be a princess, you have to try cuter.
Come on.
You know what? I'm gonna go out and see if I can maybe adopt a few other kids. Just even if it's ugly stepsisters here to teach you a lesson. Alright, keep going. Right now.
Nilagay mo ako dyan. Oh. Ate, ito. Ako to. Eh, nagagawa mo sa atin. Hindi. Hindi ko yung gagawin. Hirap naman yung gawin. Fine, gagawin ko na. Ayoko na magawa ng marami. Isa rin na lang gagawin ko. Ayan, sisa rin na lang. Eh, paborito niya pink. Hindi pink ang paborito niya. Anong paborito niya? Ano? Yellow. Yellow? Wow. Yellow. Na-yellow yung pineapple. Yellow din yung paborito niya. Ganyan. Hindi, ayaw niya nga ng pineapple eh. Asasali yun. At pinili ko nga sa'yo. At gusto ko na. Sorry na. Gusto.
Time for school.
Marta ganito din. Huwag mo akong i-ask kung bakit black.
Para kung bagay yung mismong wings lang na isa. Yung mismong wings lang na gayon. Dati na sa gitna yan.
And the first thing you gotta learn is math. So let's go.
Parang ari ang
Here you go. It's math right here.
Pero sasama din naman yung laman.
Listen to
Man.
you.
Sit down, kids, sit down, okay? Welcome to Potion 101 for babies.
Whoa, what's this?
functions. Alright, first thing, green is stamina, red is health, blue is magic. Write that down, write that down. It's important. It's important. Okay. Second rule, always teach test coaching. Alright, so gotta make a case with
Marta, dapat na talaga.
always trick princesses into drinking the
Marta.
Yeah, because then that's how you correct them.
Ginulit ko si Kuya.
Yeah, the most important ingredient to any potion is the stamina locked up in babies.
I mean, only sometimes. It's not like we do it all the time. Well, I think you need to calm down a little bit. Here, let me take you to my office and. Oh, okay. Let me take you to my office and we can calm down. Okay, what?
Ate, ganito yung pagkakas. Nasaan si Tita Bebe?
Don't mind that dumpster smell. Alright, just go ahead down. It's down this way. Just go over here. Yeah, just go ahead. Well, I mean, if you need an office, you need You see, I've always had a craving for kids' flesh. It just tastes so good. But the way I'm going to cook you is in a pot. It's going to be a large pot boiling. Then you're going to simmer it really tender.
dyan. Oh. Iyo talaga yan. Ay maghahanap puro bibig. Ano nga
Ate, saan mo nakita yung base mo?
Diyan lang, nakapatong. Bayo din ano, kapitan, bayo din.
Ay, di bumili ka na din ng bagong shade ng iyong ano ate.
Binden. Binden.
Ate Baba.
Binden. Binden.
Wala naman din na si Binden.
kumain? Ayaw na kumain? Ano kinakain mo dyan? Bawal kumain dyan sa labas, sa itaas. Sinabi ko na sa inyo, diet, bawal kumain dyan. At tayo nilalanggam. Gusto nyo kumain din sa baba. Gusto ang ulo, ha? Ganun nyo to, kinakain nyo. Oh. Hindi ko makikita eh. Walang magliligpit. Si Jerome nakikita na. Hindi pa nililigpit.
That's the guy.
Pwede lang kung lalaro